everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do entries number 29, 30, and 31, and maybe I'll try to squeeze in 32. We'll see how long this video is. To my 8,000 plus subscriber giveaway. I apologize for my delay. I had to rest my voice. So we're going to jump right back in and get these videos rolling. So this entry comes from Dawn, who goes by Daretobecreative. Thank you so much, Dawn, for sending in your entry. So she sends me this beautiful packaging. It says congratulations, and let's see, it's a beautiful card. It says, hey Sheshe, I'm proud of you. You are working hard and paid your dues to grow your channel. Keep being you and doing your thing. I am honored to have a couple memory decks cards in your Rolodex. I hope you like them, and I wish you continued success, and I'm sure more great things are coming. Take care, and God bless your girl Dawn, Daretobecreative. Thank you so much for this beautiful card. It is so gorgeous, and I know you did them in your favorite colors, white, black, and red. So gorgeous work. So she sends me this beautiful packaging in my favorite colors, purple. So thank you so much. These look like some 3x3 cards. You did a really gorgeous job of that. So I'm just going to open them up. I think you did a video on this of how you made them, and I like the little confetti that you put in here too. Just really nice packaging. So this is a really nice idea to send people. So I'm just going to open it. So I think they're all different. Okay, let's get this open. Okay, so I'm just going to slide these out, and they're all little different gorgeous girls, and their thanks, hello, and hi. So really fun idea and beautiful work. So thank you so much, and you included some envelopes too. So I really appreciate that, because it does save time when you are just wanting to send a nice little greeting. So thank you. So we're going to move on to your card that you sent me, and it is beautiful. I love the packaging. It says fabulous on here, and yes, it is fabulous, and so is your entry. So I'm going to open this up too, or can I open it from the bottom? Let's see. Okay, and then your bag, I'm going to open it from this side. And then it slides on out. I apologize for the crinkling. I like the little confetti you put in here. Okay. Okay, so let's see which one. Oh, you did two. Okay, cool. Okay, so she did two for me. So this is how the first one looks. Really cute. Love the colors. Just beautiful. And the confetti is still attached, so that's okay. Alright, so here is her gorgeous work. Just love it so much. Okay, and then here is the second one. Confetti is kind of stuck to it. It's okay. Is that confetti stuck? No, it's not. It's just how it is. So here is the next one. It says shopping. I don't know where you got a die that says shopping, but it's so cool. Love it so much. So let's read about Dawn, Miss Daretobecreative. So her name is Dawn. Channel Daretobecreative. Instagram Daretobecreative1. And she gives me her email. Her style is clean and simple. Her favorite colors are red, black, and gold. Her birthday is in November, and then she gives me her address. So thank you so much. Gorgeous work. And I really, really appreciate you entering my giveaway. So we're going to move on to the next entry, number 30. And thank you so much for the goodies. I gotta kind of scoot this confetti out the way. But thank you so much for the goodies. This is so appreciative. Didn't have to send them, but I do appreciate them. I can use these for my flower centers and also embellishments. And then there's a note. And here is the Memory Decks card. So we're going to read the note first. And this is really pretty how you did this too. So I don't know who this is from yet. So I'm going to open this up and see. And this is a really cute card. It says, congratulations. And then there's like a little clip holding this together. That's a cute idea. So this is from Pam. Okay. It says, hi Sheshe, I found your channel from, is this, I don't know who this is. Is it Sant and Sugar? Oh, wait a minute, Janet. Okay, Janet at Sugar Shine Designs. Okay. So it says, sorry to get this entry out to you so last minute. I don't do YouTube videos, but I do post on Instagram. Okay. I have been making pocket letters and IC cards. Okay. And Memory Decks crafts later, but I want to try other crafts. So she says, congrats on 8,000 plus subbies, Pam. Okay. Well, thank you, Pam, for entering. I really appreciate it. So that was so nice. So she found out from my giveaway of last minute. So that's cool. So this is really cute, and I love how you decorated the card, and I appreciate you sending this out. So let's see what you did. This is really pretty. I love the colors. So let's see what it shows. Okay. This is really, really nice. I love the papers too. So this is how it looks. Have perfume bottles, shoes, and it's Paris theme, it appears. So love the decorations. So let's read about Pam. So again, she doesn't do YouTube videos. So let's look at her card. So her name is Pam. She gives me her address. Her Instagram is Pam STI Plans, and her YouTube is Pam STI 917. Again, she does not do videos. Her birthday is in September, so you have a birthday coming up soon. Her colors are black, gold, and silver. Really nice colors. She likes bling and glitter. And she likes crafting all seasons, pocket letters, and girly style. So, very fun. Thank you so much. Put the card back in here so I don't lose it. And again, this is her Memory Decks card. Really, really fun and pretty. So, thank you so much, ladies, for your entries. Let's try one more. And let's see. Oh, wow. Love these butterflies. So gorgeous. So pretty. So this entry comes from Canada. So thank you so much for entering my giveaway and sending me these beautiful butterflies. They're all pretty, just so gorgeous. I love butterflies. And then she stuck one on the front too. Has some beautiful handwriting too. So let's see what the card says. So she says, congratulations. And there's a little note inside. This is entry number 31. Now, I don't know how to pronounce your name, so I hope I don't mess it up. But it says, my name is it Moira? M-O-I-R-A. It is a pleasure being part of this challenge. Thank you so very much for this chance. This is my first memory decks card. I hope you like it. I can't seem to choose a precise favorite color. They are all so beautiful. I agree. Among so many crafts that I love to do, I would say paper crafting as one of my favorites. Thank you once again. This is lots of fun. And then she gives me her name, and it's so pretty, but I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Is it Moira? And then she's from Canada. She gives me her email and her birthday. Oh my goodness, it's one day before mine, December 9th. So nice. Okay, so thank you so much for this lovely butterfly gift. So pretty. All right. And so let's get into this card and see what this is about. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Did a really wonderful job by being your first. Okay, so here's how it looks. I love the colors. Really, really pretty. And then she also did the back too. Gorgeous work. So can everyone see that? I hope so. So that's the back. And this is the front. She has it popped up too. All right. So, let's see, do we have time for one more? I think we'll stop here and we'll move on to the next video. But anyway, thank you to everyone who has entered. I will go to the box tomorrow to see what's left of the entries. The giveaway is closed for anyone that is watching. I hope to pick a winner soon. Possibly next week. I hope to have all the videos done. So I will be announcing my surprise soon. So take care everyone and have a fabulous day.